Good morning students, a very warm good morning to all of you. Today we are here with the subject mathematics. Now today we are learn the next topic, that is exponents. Before starting the lesson, some recalls are given there. See what is given. Find the product of the following. You know how to do the product. So see the number 3. How many times is 3 there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So how you are doing the multiplication? That is 3 3s are 9. Yes, 9 3s are 27. 26 7 3s are. Yes. How much? Yes, again 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Okay, again you can do 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So multiply 27 by 27, 729. Again multiply 729 by 729, 729 multiplied by 729. So the answer will be 531 441. Okay, now see the next one. 7 7s are 49, 7 7s are 49, 7 7s are 49. So 49 multiplied by 49 multiplied by again 49 and then multiplied by 7. So it comes as 8 23 5 43. Okay, now see here 25 multiplied by 25 is equal to 625. So 625 multiplied by 625. So it is equal to 390 625. Okay. Now see in the D1 how much tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you just have to write 1 and write down the 10 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now see, just introduction is given here. We know that repeated additions means the multiplication, that is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 so many times. If we have taken the 15 times, then 15 multiplied by 5 it is equal to 75. Okay. Similarly, repeated multiplication is also called exponents, that is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 up to the 15 times you have multiplied. So it can be written as 5 to the power 15. The meaning of both of them are equal. Okay. Now here 5 to the power 15 is read as 5 raised to the power 15 and means 5 is multiplied by itself 15 times. Exponents provide a shorter way to write long repeated multiplication, and thus writing out all the times symbol, times means the multiplication, are not required in many situations. We came across numbers that are very large or very small. For example, the age of universe in years, the mass of the earth in tons, the distance of the sun from the earth, that is in kilometer, the size of the bacteria. Yes, you know what is the size of bacteria? Yes, it is the 0.0001. Yes, are numbers that are either very large or either very small. Such numbers are generally approximate. Therefore, these are represented by some numbers followed by the certain numbers of zeros. For example, the age of universe is approximated to the how much? 8, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 years, and the mass of the earth is approximately 598, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 0 metric tons. Okay. Such numbers are usually written using exponents. For example, the number it can be written as 8 multiplied by 10 to the power 9, or 80 multiplied by 10 to the power 8, or 800 multiplied by 10 to the power 7. Okay. Now this 598 is also written as 598 into 10 to the power 19. This is known as the exponential notation. Okay. See, exponential form. Consider the number 125. We know that 125 is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Therefore, 125 is equal to 5 to the power 3. Now, 5 to the power 3 is the exponential form of the 125. In the exponential form of a to the power b, a is called as the base and b is called as the exponent. So, what is the exponent? The power is called as the exponent and the number is called as the base. Okay. Consider the another number 16 upon 81. Just see 16 upon 81. So 16 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. When 2 is multiplied by 4 times, it comes as 16. And when 3 is multiplied by 4 times, it comes as 81. So in short, it can be written as 2 upon 3 to the power 4. Okay. Therefore, the exponential form of 16 upon 81 is 2 upon 3 to the power 4. Here, base is 2 upon 3 and the exponent is 4. Okay. See. We are already familiar with the expanded form of the numbers. The expanded form of a large number can be written easily with the help of exponents. Consider the number 45, 68, 91, 23, 85. So how it can be written as? See, 4 multiplied by how much 0 are there? 9. So you can write it as 4 multiplied by 10 to the power 9. 5 multiplied by 10 to the power 8. 6 multiplied by 10 to the power 7. 8 multiplied by 10 to the power 6. Means after that you have to write up to the 10 to the power 1. Okay. Now see, some examples are given there. Expand the following. Minus 3 to the power 4. So it means minus 3 have to be multiplied by 4 times. So minus 3 plus 9 and minus 3 plus 9. So 9 9s are 81. Same is happen with the 2 to the power 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Okay. Now, minus 1 to the power 5. When minus minus is plus, minus minus is plus. Again this plus plus is multiplied by minus is equal to minus of 1. Okay. See, here is the number p upon cube to the power 3. Means p upon q, p upon q, p upon q. Means p to the power 3 and q to the power also 3. So there are some examples are given here. Okay. Express the following in the exponential form. Write the base and the exponential for each. So what is the base and what is the exponential? Just see 625. 625 is the 5 to the power 4. You can see when you are multiplying 5 4 times, you will get the answer 625. And when you are multiplying 11 4 times, you will get the answer 14,641. So 6 upon 14, 614 written as 5 5 5 5 multiplied by 11 11 11 to 11 means 5 upon 11 to the power 4. Okay. Now see, minus of 243. When minus 3 is multiplied by 5 times, it will answer the minus of 243. Then 225. When 15 is multiplied by 15 means 15 is multiplied by 2 times, you will get the answer 225. So in this form, what is the exponential form? 5 upon 11, then base is 5 upon 11 and exponent is 4. Okay. So in this way, you have to write the next one. Next, write the following in the exponential form. Just see 36. 36 means, how can you write the 36? 6 multiplied by 6 means 6 to the power 2. Then x, how many times are x there? 1 2 3. So write x to the power 3. Y 2, so y to the power 2. Then z is 1 time, so you just have to write z. Okay. Now 686 is written as 2 multiplied by 7, 7 multiplied by 7. Means here 2 to the power 1 only means it is 2 and 7 to the power 3 means multiply 7 the 3 times. In this way you have to simplify also. Just writing the numbers, which numbers are common, you just cut the numbers. Means 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 5 upon 3. Just cut the number similarly and the remaining is the answer. Okay. Now see next question. Compare 3 to the power 5 or 5 to the power 3. Which one is the greater one? Just exponent means just write the simplification of that number. 3 to the power 5 means write the 3 number 5 times. Answer is 243. And 5 number 3 times is 125. So which one is the greater one? Obviously 3 to the power 5 is greater because the value of that is 243. Okay. So are you understood? I think it is a very easy chapter. Yes. Now see the some exercises are given there. 4.1. Express the following number in the form of P upon Q. So how you will write this answer? P upon Q. Just see it. First one. 3 upon 7 to the power 3 means you have to write 3 upon 7 multiplied by 3 upon 7 multiplied by 3 upon 7. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and 7 multiplied by 7 is 7 7s are 49, and 49 multiplied by 7, 49 multiplied by 7, it is equal to 343. Okay, so you have to write it in this form. Then B1, 3 upon 5 to the power 4. So write it as 3 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 5. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 27 multiplied by 3, it is equal to 81, and here 5 5s are 25, 25 125, 125 by the 5 is 625. So in this way you have to write the remaining one. Just see the second question. Express the following in exponential form. Write the base and the exponent for each. Okay, now see the first one. A, 1 upon 243. Okay, so for what you have to do, 1 upon 243 means the number is, which number is multiplied by that? Yes, means the number 3. How many times the number 3? 5. Okay, if 3 is multiplied by 5, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1 2 3 4 5, and here is the number 1. So you can write it as 1 upon 3 to the power 5. Yes, so in this way write the base and the exponent for each. So here you have to write base. What is the base? Base is 1 upon 3, and what is the exponent? Exponent is 5. Okay, in this way you have to do the, see the C1, 625 upon 14641. So 625 is the, when you are multiplying 5 5 5 and 5, and here you have to write 11 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11 11. Okay, now see 5 upon 11 to the power 4. So what is the base? See here you have to write base is equal to 5 upon 11, and what is the exponent? So exponent is equal to 4. Okay, are you understood this one? This I you can see Q. How many times are Q? 1 2 3. So here you have to write Q to the power 3, then P 1 2 3, again P to the power 3, and R 1 2 3, R to the power 3. So here what is the base? Here you have to write base is equal to, or you can write it as QPR to the power 3. So what is the base? QPR, and what is the exponent? Exponent is equal to 3. Okay, are you understood? It is a very easy one. Now see the third one. Question 3. Compare the following: 2 to the power 5 and 5 to the power 2. Okay, now for that, 2 to the power 5 means multiply 2 2 2 2 and 2 5 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, and then 5 to the power 2 means 5 multiplied by 5, so it is equal to 25. So which one is the greater one? 2 to the power 5 is greater than 5 to the power 2. Are you understood? In this way you have to do the multiplication and see which one is the greater one. You just make the sign towards it. Okay, now see the question 4th. Simplified minus 1 to the power 71. What happened when any number is minus 1 to the power 71? So it will be as 70 minus of 71. Okay. Now see the B1. 2 to the power 2 plus minus of 5 to the power 3. Just do it as 2 multiplied by 2 plus minus 5 to the power 3 means minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by minus 5. So it is equal to 4 plus 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are minus of 125. So make it as 121 minus of 121. Have you understood everyone? Just see the next one. 6 multiplied by 10 to the power 3. So 6 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. So 6 multiplied by 1, 2, 3. So it is equal to 6,000. Okay. Now see the question number 5. Find the value of x in each of the following question. You have to find out the value of x. Okay. Now fifth question. Minus 2 to the power x is equal to minus of 128. So which value of 2 it is equal to minus of 128? How many times you have to multiply? 2 2s are minus 2. Okay. Minus 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 60. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64 and 64 multiplied by 2. Yes, 64 multiplied by 2 is equal to 128 means minus 2 to the power how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is equal to minus of 128. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 7. Okay. Now B. 9 to the power x is equal to 729. So how many times 9 multiplied? 9, 9, 9. So 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are. So is equal to 729. So 9 to the power 3 is equal to 729. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 3. Okay. See the question 6. Evaluate the following putting as x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 10. Just see the first one. X to the power 2, y to the power 3 and z. So put the value of x is equal to 2 means 2 multiplied by 2. Okay. Then y is equal to 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Again 10. 2 2s are 4 multiplied by 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 multiplied by 10. So it is equal to 40 multiplied by 27. Write it as 0, 8, 2, 1, 0, 8, 0. The value of x square plus y, x square plus y cube z is equal to 1, 0, 8, 0. Okay. Now in this way you have to put the value of x, y and z and write it as answer. Are you understood everyone? It is the easy one. Yes. Now see, laws of exponents. So what are the laws of exponent? First one is multiplication power with the same base. Consider the product 7 to the power 2 multiplied by 7 to the power 3. Now here you can see both the base are same. When both the base are having the same, then what you have to do? You just have to add the exponent. Means 7 to the power 2 multiplied by 7 to the power 3. So what you have to do? You just have to add the only exponent if the base is same. Here 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay. Now see here minus 2 to the power 3 and minus 2 to the power 5. So base is same. So minus 2 to the power 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Are you understood? Now see, for any non-zero integer a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m plus n. Means if the multiplication of exponents are there, you just have to add the exponent where m and n are the whole numbers. Next one, second, dividing powers with the same base. Consider the division 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 4. Just see here, when the base are same and the exponents are different and division is given, what you have to do? You just subtract the exponent putting the base as a same. Just see here, 3 to the power 7 upon 3 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4, which are the same one, you just have to cut these 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is remaining? 3, 3, 3 means 3 to the power 3 means you just subtract the exponent 7 minus 4. Okay. Now, what is given? For any non-zero integer a to the power m divided by a to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m minus n, where m and n are whole numbers and m is greater than n. Okay. Now third law is multiplying power with the same exponent. If the exponents are 7, what you have to do? Just see, 3 to the power 4 and 5 to the power 4. So simply multiply the number and pair it. The answer will be 15 to the power 4 means you just multiply the number and put the as a exponent same. Again 4 to the power 2 and 6 to the power 2. So 4 multiplied by 6 multiplied by is equal to 24 to the power 2. So you can write it as 6 multiplied by 4 means 24 to the power 2. Okay. Now see, minus 5 to the power 4 and a to the power 4. So minus 5 write it as in the 4 time and 8 write it as 4 time. So make the number near to 8, minus 5 multiplied by 8, same multiplied by 8, minus 5 multiplied by 8, minus 5 multiplied by 8. So the number is minus 5a is up to the 4 times. So here you have to write minus of 5a to the power 4 means if a to the power m and b to the power m, then ab to the power m, where m is the whole number. Are you understood, student? Yes. See the law 4. Taking power of a power. Now consider the example 8 to the power 3 to the power 4. Okay. Now power of power. What you have to do? You just have to multiply means you just have to add the number or multiply the number. Okay. You just have to multiply the number. 8 to the power 3 to the power 4 means 8 to the power 3 is multiplied with itself by 4 times. So means 8 to the power 3 to the power 4 means 8 to the power, you just have to write 12 means you just multiply the power to the power. 8 to the power 3 to the power 4 means 8 to the power 3 multiplied by 4. 4 to the power 5 to the power 2 means 5 to the 10. So directly here you have to write 4 to the power 10. See, for any non-zero integer a to the power m to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m multiplied by n, where m and n are the whole numbers. Okay. Now numbers with exponent 0. Number with exponent 0. 4 to the power 3 it can be written as 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. Now see, let us divide 4 to the power 3 by 4 to the power 3. What will be the answer? Answer is 1. So what you have to write it as? 4 to the power 0. So 4 to the power 0, it is equal to always 1. Now see here, 9 to the power 2 divided by 9 to the power 2. So answer will be 1. So it can be written as 9 to the power 0. Yes. It is the similarly division, this is the division also when a of 5 divided by a to the power 5, 5 minus 5 is 0. So simply you have to write a to the power 0 is always 1. Means any non-zero number raised to the power 0 is answer 1. Okay. Now dividing powers with the same exponents. Now see, here are the numbers 5 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 4. What will be happen? Just see, here is the pair of 5 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 5 upon 3. How many times are there? 4 times. So 5 upon 3 to the power 4. Okay. Now 7 upon 9 to the power 2. 7 to the power 2 and 9 to the power 2. So what you have to write? 7 upon 9 to the power 2. Okay. For any two non-zero integers a and b, a to the power m divided by b to the power m, so it can be written as a upon b to the power m, where m is the whole number. Okay. So students, are you understood all the or the 6 laws of multiplication and division? Yes. Now see, some examples are given there. 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. Here is the multiplication line, means you just have to add the power. Okay. Here the division side, you just have to subtract the number. Here 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 3 means 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. It is equal to, how can you solve it? 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 means 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 2. It is equal to 36. Now 3 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 3 means 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. So 3 to the power 6, it is equal to 729. Okay. Next, you just have to write the value of 5 to the power 0 means 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 3. Okay. Now when the answer will be 1 means 5 to the power 0. Here some questions are also given. 6 to the power 0 is 1 plus 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 1 minus 1 is 0. The answer will be 1 plus 2 minus 0 is 3. Okay. Just prove that 7 to the power 0 is equal to 1. How it can be proven that? That you know 7 to the power 0 means value is 1, means same power is subtracted from the same. Means 3 minus 3 is 0. So you can write it as 7 to the power 3 divided by 7 to the power 3. So it will be 1. Okay. Instead of 3 you can write any number, but it should be same. 3, 4, 5 should be same. Okay. Now see the next one. Minus 18 upon 19 to the power 5 divided by minus 18 upon 19 to the power 2. It is equal to minus 18 upon 19 to the power 5. And here the 2 means you can write it as, yes, and cut the same one, you will get the answer 3. Okay. Find the value of following in the exponent form. So you just have to export the number, and which are the similar one, you just have to cut it and you will get the answer at last. Find the value of x in each of the following. Now see here, 2 to the power x is equal to 64. Means if you are dividing 2 to the 64, how many times you have to multiply? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means you just have to write 2 to the power 6. Okay. Here also you have to find out the value of x. It is the similar one what is given before. Now simplify 3 to the power 0, 2 to the plus 2 to the power 0 minus 6 to the power 0. Okay. Then if any number is having the power 0 means value is 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 1 means is equal to 1, and 100 to the power 0 is again 1. Then 1 divided by 1 is 1. So taking base as 5. So here you have to write 5 to the power 0, it is equal to 1. Okay, it is already given there that take as 5 as a base. Then you have to write 5 to the power 0, it is equal to 1. Now some examples are same as the earlier one. You just solve, just see, go through it.